Oh, I got lost.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Anita and you're most welcome.
Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sun.
To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my content. I do really appreciate it.
The constellations, yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me.
Let's go to the shop and buy some bread, but before that, we empty the dustbin.
I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet. It's in these moments where all I know is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments. Oh, I got lost on a winding road in the dark of night with the stars aglow. Heaven's up above, got me below as I head to you like the river flows. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the feelings I need. It's in these moments with words unspoken, my eyes wide open, life tastes so sweet.
I have already bought the bread, now it's time to go back home.
Is coming into focus, and now I see. It's in these moments. It's in these moments.
I'm back home. Let's prepare the breakfast. So today's breakfast is going to be tea and bread, nothing else. I normally add sugar while the tea is still cooking. So that is what you're seeing right here.
I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
The tea is now ready. Let's go ahead and prepare some bread. So on the bread, I'm just going to spread some Blue Band and that's it.
I get lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back. Swear I ain't got a chance. Had me caught up in you since the night on the terrace, yeah. You had me falling fast. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to.
After taking my breakfast, I went ahead and did laundry.
You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight. It's electric.
As the clothes are being cleaned, I went ahead and cleaned the utensils.
Had a feeling we had something. Could have seen it in your eyes. Took a second, but I'm right here, waiting for you with open arms. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? Cause you're in my you love that I've been craving. Let me in now, don't be shy. We can be a summer story where dreams and reality collide. Are we back to the start? I can play the game, but I'm falling again. No, don't hold back, take it far. Promise you the same, let the pleasure begin. How about you coming closer? We can do my place. Maybe we can try meeting up by 7. You'll be saying over, so it's guaranteed. I'll be forever thinking more about you and me. I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Nah. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Run your fingers down me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my head. What you think? What you think? Cause you're in my what you think? What you think? I don't wanna let you go. I don't wanna let you go. Tell me what you want to know. Your fingers on me slow. Cause you're in my head. You are. Cause you're in my head. Cause you're in my but I'm just getting started. Why it's on the target? No. You're the better one. You can't Best to give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, cause I'm taking the world to see. They'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Every time I break
By the time I was done cleaning the utensils, I found out that there was no lights. So I decided to go to the salon rather than wasting time. So I'll be resuming with laundry tomorrow. But as for now, let's head to the salon. As you can see, I'm already at the salon and I want to plait my hair. I'm always looking forward to go to the salon just because I have the most amazing hairdressers. They make your hair look really pretty. And aside from that, these are my friends. So whenever I go there, we chat, we laugh, we just get time to catch up, and it's always an enjoyable moment. At this point, I was almost done. This is the final look. This is how the hair looks like. I don't know about you guys, but I think the hair is so pretty. Hello guys, I just came here to say thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. And for those who like, comment and share my content, I do really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart, and may God bless you.